This is your Pokemon Master once again, and for today's video guys, I will be teaching you guys on how to improve your selling in your online shop in any platform. So if you are using a Shopee, then it's better for you because I will be using the Shopee account, Shopee shop in this video guys. So as you can see guys, I already sold 2 items. So this is MTG Magic the Gathering Lord of the Rings set. We already sold it for 15 ringgit. And of course our second is the PG Illustration Rare Obsidian Flame. We sold it for 46 ringgit. So how I did it in only 1 week. So I'll be teaching you guys the technique, the ultimate technique that I've learned in all of the videos that I am watching in the YouTube's different channels. So let's dig it up guys, let's go, let's make it fast. Actually this video will only take for probably less than 3 minutes, so stay tuned. Don't pause the video, listen carefully because I will teach you guys the most important part. So let's go guys in our product. So for example guys, you already created your seller account and you already have some items. The first things first that you need to do guys is to take a very clear photo of your item. So I suggest you create 3 to 5 photos of the items. If you can get 10, the better. The many the better. Okay. So first, after you already upload your photos, so actually the maximum only for this is 9 photos. Sorry. So maximum is 9 photos, and then after you upload it, please click 3x4. The reason being guys is, if you click 1 by 1, your image will be cut because Shopee will show only at least 75% of the photo. So if you select 3 by 4, the whole photos will be seen in your Shopee. So I always select 3 by 4. So after that, you need to select your promotion image. So in the promotion image guys, please select your best photo guys. And of course, don't forget to put your product video. So here in the product video, I will show you guys, it's very important in the product video guys to select a very clear background. As you can see in my product video guys, my background is only just plain white and the lighting is very good so that the buyer will clearly see guys what are we selling. So after that guys, this is the most important. Don't forget guys to put the product name guys in a very concrete and simple type product name. So for example, my product is MTG Magic the Gathering Lord of the Rings set. So if ever the buyer wants only Lord of the Rings set from the Magic the Gathering cards, so this product will easily go to the it will pop out already on his screen because I put it very clear here. I set the name properly and I put some quantity, how many I'm selling. It's better also if you are selling cards, you need to put the quantity, and if you have additional freebies or anything, you can also add in your product name. Next is the category guys. For the category guys, you need to select your correct category. So I am selling guys collectible cards. So I put it in the collectible items and I put it on the anime or manga collectibles, and then I select of course I select Magic the Gathering. So next is in the product description guys. So in the product description, you should put again guys what you put here in the product name. So if you put the product name original MTG Magic the Gathering Lord of the Rings set, you need to put here as well so that your item will be more searchable. And then if you're selling anything, for example, you're selling different kinds of cards or different items, you need to itemize guys, and you need to put the original price from for example, I get this one Card Kingdom, so I put the original price. The reason being is if the buyer saw that you are selling cheaper than the original price, then he or she will be more interested to buy your item. So this is just a technique. So I'm teaching you guys whatever technique I learned on my selling and also in whatever YouTube channel I watched before. So also guys, this is if you can put on how you are packing on how you pack your item, is better to put that in below the description, so that they know that you're packing the item in a very nice way. Okay, for example, you put bubble wrap and box, etc. You can put there, and then in the specification you need to put at least 3 you need to put at least 3 here, guys. So in the brand, leather type, length, lighting, country of origin, volume, anime, or certification, you need to select 3, fill this up. Don't forget that, that's very important. And then guys, in the sale information, if you are if you have a lot of variations, you can select here, but I suggest in your first items, don't put a lot of variation. Okay, focus on one item, make it a combination with a very good pricing. So you see guys, the original price is 120, but I'm only selling it for 59 ringgit. So it's almost 50% cheaper than the original price. And of course, don't forget to put the stock, how many you have, and how for the minimum purchase quantity, is better to always put 1, because some of the people only want to buy 1 only, guys. So after that, I think that's all. Okay, so we have also the shipping. So for the shipping, you need to put the exact box type. For example, your item is only 0.5 kilogram, put the kilos here, put the weight, the parcel size, the length, the width, the height, you need to define, guys, so that when you go to your Shopee drop-off point, no need to, no need to ask them to put the shipping box or length. And then dangerous good, no. And then the shipping fee, you need to tick here if it's a bulk, self collection point, whatever you would like to for your delivery options, you need to tick here. And then for pre-order, this is another important guys, is you need to select yes if you need some time to prepare your item. So between 3 to 30 days, I suggest you put 3 days, guys, because every buyer wants to get their item very fast. If you can click no, if you can prepare the item within 1 day, and you can bring it to the Shopee, then you can click no. And then I think that's all. And then after that, after you post your item, guys, this is the most important. You need to do this after you post your item, so that it will be more sellable. As you can see, guys, in my dashboard, I have already, this one just now only, I have 7 visitor already, and I have 15 clicks. So probably they are thinking to buy my item right now. So let's see. So this is the most important part, guys. So please listen, don't go to other channel. So okay, when you go to your product, guys, you need to go here in the right side. Okay, you can see here the price, stock, and then action. So when you go to the action, you click more, and then click the set affiliate commission. Why you need to set your affiliate commission? The reason being, guys, is if you set this higher, for example, I select 15%, my product will be more visible, guys, and it will be among 25% of similar products. So imagine there's a lot of product in Shopee, but you will beat the 75% by just giving Shopee 15% commission rate. So don't worry, guys, on the commission rate. Give Shopee some commissions, no issue on that. Just select that for the sake of your visibility. The more visible, the more people will check on your items, the more chance of selling. Okay, that's the most important part in selling, guys, visibility. Next, after that, guys, of course, to improve your visibility, you need to put some discounts. So you need to click here in the left side corner, click the discount, and then you can set, guys, for example, you can create your own discount. So for example, here in my product, I select Magic 25% discount. This one is select different Magic Sale 35% off. Why I'm putting this? It's like in a mall, guys. If you're in the mall and then you want to buy something, and then you saw that the other item has more discounts, for sure, guys, you will buy the item with higher discounts. So it's same also in the online shopping. So you need to put some discounts so that you can attract more buyers. So that's all, guys, in my video, guys. I don't want to make this long, but after that, guys, then you can just wait, and then something will pop up, like for example, like that, the one that I sold earlier. So then someone will chat you, someone interested in your product will chat you, and then, guys, don't forget to respond on them, because it's also important, guys, that we are responding on each buyer, guys, that are inquiring in our shop. So I only started my shop, guys. This is a daily dose of magic. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe in my channel, and of course follow my Shopee shop, which is just recently, yeah, you can see here, guys. I'm already 7 years in Shopee, but this is the only first time, actually 1 week only, guys, to when I opened this shop. Wait. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here in my dashboard, I have already 20 something items, and then I already sold these two. Okay, this is what we show earlier, shipped already, and the other one is delivered already. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will update you guys on our succeeding video, guys, on the progress of our Shopee shop. So hope you learned something, and hope you can subscribe in my YouTube channel as well. So in those two items, guys, I already gained 100 ringgit. So really appreciate our first buyers. That's why I'm giving them more discounts and more freebies. So always give back to your buyers, and always learn how to improve on your postings of product. So it's like also in YouTube, if you improve how you post, on how you perform there, then it's also you will get some positive effect as well, like in the online selling. That's all, guys. God bless you, and good luck on your new ventures. God bless.